Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 37. How to add call extension. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add call extension, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select All Campaigns and then select Campaigns. Select one campaign from the list. Now select Ads and Extensions and click on Extensions from the top. Now click on View Site Link Extensions button and from the list, select Call Extensions. Now click on Create Add Extension button. Here click on this Add New Call Extension link, then enter your country or region, phone number, mobile format and click on Save button. So this is how you can add call extension. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 38. How to add price extension. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to add price extension, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.